Problem solving in chemistry is described as a creative process because each problem often needs a unique approach that combines knowledge, imagination, and step-by-step testing to reach a correct and useful solution. Think of solving a chemistry problem like building with blocks. When you do not have the instructions, you start with what you know, like the properties of atoms and reactions. And then you try different ways to put pieces together until the structure works. Sometimes you can follow a familiar pattern, but many times you must invent a new path by estimating, drawing diagrams, and checking calculations one step at a time. You might try a method that seems right and then revise it when an experiment or calculation shows a different result. That back and forth between trying ideas and checking outcomes is where creativity matters because it helps you find solutions that a straight recipe could not. Students often think there is only one correct method and get stuck trying to force that method to work. And the quick tip is to step back and consider alternative approaches like drawing, dimensional analysis, or simpler analogous problems. Another common mistake is skipping units or sign errors during calculations. And the short fix is to write units and signs carefully at every step so mistakes are easier to spot. Some learners expect instant success and get discouraged. And the helpful reminder is that testing, revising, and learning from small failures is part of the creative process in chemistry. For more videos and resources that explain problem solving in chemistry and practical examples, please visit www.gumballdegree.com.